How has genetics affected your life? By Aira. Driving question. How has genetics affected your life? What is in the video? Driving question. How-to video on how to solve Punnett squares and how they affect our lives and pedigree charts. Answer driving question with evidence from genetic engineering website. Answer driving question with evidence from a guide to genetic health website. Answer driving question with evidence from the AMNH website. How to solve Punnett squares. Okay, so the male parent goes on top usually, and the female goes on the side. So let's say the male genotype is uppercase A, lowercase a, and the female is lowercase a and lowercase a. And how you solve this is you bring the letters down that are on the top, the letters on the side, you bring them over. You always want to make sure the dominant gene, the capital letter, is first. So we're going to bring the capital one down and bring it down here as well. And then we're going to bring this letter over this way. And we're going to bring this one over. We're going to bring this one down. So now that we have it all figured out, how you read this is each section is split into 25%. So there's a 50% chance that the offspring will have capital A, lowercase a, and 50% chance the offspring will have lowercase a, lowercase a. How to solve pedigree charts using Punnett squares. Okay, so we have the male genotype at the top and the female on the side. And on pedigree charts, the male is a square usually and the female is a circle. So we can fill this out and put the male here and the females here. And let's say the dominant gene, which is the uppercase F, is having red hair, and the recessive trait is having blonde hair. So the dad has red hair and the mom has blonde hair. And since this circle here is filled in, that means this child has a recessive trait. So she has a recessive trait, so she has to have the genotype of lowercase f. And let's say the boy has red hair, so he has to have uppercase F and lowercase f. And let's say the daughter has blonde hair, so she also has to have lowercase f like the other daughter. So Punnett squares help solve pedigree charts by figuring out what the genotype of the thing is.